The stage is set, but no one's moving. It's all silence and waiting, breath held tight. William Ball watches, eyes sharp, as actors struggle with their parts, caught between instinct and intellect. What if theater isn't just performance, but a roadmap to something deeper, our sense of direction in life, art, even thought? This isn't just about acting. It's a glimpse into how we navigate the universe itself, and you're about to find out why the wrong actor betrays more than a bad show. Ball argues theater is more than entertainment, it's a universe revealing itself. How does a play contain the cosmos in its pulse? Let's unpack how theater aligns mind, heart, and world. At the American Conservatory Theater, Ball, directing Hamlet, noticed how when actors truly sync with the play's rhythm, the stage vibrates with something larger than themselves, like a microcosm of nature singing in harmony. Think of intellect as a stubborn GPS insisting on exact routes, but intuition as the seasoned traveler who reads the clouds, feels the wind, a creative navigation that transcends rigid maps and unlocks true artistry. When an actor lets go of ego, Ball says, a mysterious oneness emerges. The audience feels it too. Suddenly, theater is less about performance, more a shared revelation, the universe whispering through flesh and voice. Ball's casting isn't just about matching looks or skills, it's a sacred act of harmony. Why does the right actor feel inevitable, and what disasters brew when the wrong one steps up? Ball describes casting for Long Day's Journey into Night in San Francisco, spotting an actor whose essence wasn't just talent but a perfect resonance with the play's spirit, like a musical note that completes the chord. In contrast, a miscast leads to jarring dissonance. Ball recalls a wrong actor whose forced energy fractured the flow, turning scenes from cinematic poetry into awkward rehearsals, deadening the entire company's creative pulse. Ball's method includes blending tough clarity with kindness. He learned to say no swiftly but with compassion, preserving dignity and maintaining goodwill, so the overall ensemble feels secure and energized, not bruised or tentative. Ball teaches a radical yes, not just agreement but deep acceptance of every moment on stage and off. What if saying yes reshapes your whole creative and personal journey? Ball recalls a rehearsal where the cast embraced spontaneous changes instead of blocking every move. Each yes opened doors to fresh possibilities, invigorating the entire performance and deepening trust between actors. He likens the left brain to a meddlesome stage manager obsessed with rules, often stifling flow and instinct. Casting it aside, like dimming an annoying spotlight, frees your natural creativity to sparkle unhindered. In every critique and farewell, Ball stresses gratitude. Praise doesn't just build morale, it accelerates learning, turning mistakes into stepping stones. Saying goodbye becomes a celebration, not a closing door, creating a cycle of ongoing growth. Remember that silent moment, the stage set, actors frozen waiting for direction. Ball's sense of direction isn't just in theater, it's a way you can navigate life too. When you embrace your intuition, cast yourself with kindness, and say yes to the moment, you tune into the universe's secret rhythm. Try this next time you hesitate, say yes to what's happening. Watch how your direction unfolds with surprising clarity. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.